Hi, you wanna float? Hi guys, so it's October, which means I finally have to accept the fact that it's not summer anymore. Halloween is near, so I thought I'd do a Halloween makeup tutorial this time. This was inspired by Pennywise's makeup from the movie It 1 and 2. This is actually really easy to do. It just takes a little bit of time, but I'm going to show you how I did this makeup step by step. So let's start. So first of all, we're going to cover our face with white face paint. That's the easy part. I'm not going to put it on my neck, but you should, because I'm going to sleep after that. So, but you should put it on your neck, okay? This is a tutorial, but don't do things like me, please. Okay, now that I look whiter than Ed Sheeran, I'm going to apply liquid latex on a regular painting brush. This is not a makeup brush, this is a regular painting brush I got for 50 cents. So it's better if you apply the liquid latex in thin layers so that it can dry faster. Also, it's better if you cut the paper towel too small rather than too big, because if you do it too big, you're gonna have to cut the excess off and that may ruin your makeup. So it's better if you cut the paper towel too small, because you can always add up paper towel, that's not a problem. When it's dry, you can always cut the excess off, but be careful. I'm actually going to do this off camera because I need both my hands, but I'll be back. So I would suggest you to repeat this process at least 3 to 4 times. So liquid latex, paper towel, and then hair dryer. Because if you do less, your skin will be too thin and it won't look real. I think this is my 4th or 5th layer, so I'm going to do one more and then we'll be done. Also, please make sure the layer you've just put on is fully dried up before you put on another layer of liquid latex, because if you don't wait enough, it's going to fall apart and you don't want that. Okay, I'm going to zoom you in so you can see me better. Ooh, damn. Oh. now that the liquid latex is fully dried up, you can take a medium-sized painting brush and cover it with white face paint. This doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cover the sides with fake blood anyways. So don't worry, I know it looks messy now, but it will look great. And now I'm going to carefully cut this mouth open. Please don't try to make this look extra real by cutting yourself. We only want fake blood, so please be careful. I'm going to do this off camera because I need both of my hands again. And now we're going to carefully separate the latex from your actual skin. This is going to look great and people are gonna be, what? Is Pennywise back? But it hasn't been 26 years yet. And then you're gonna ask them if they want to float and you're gonna be the king or the queen of the party. And now we're gonna use a little red pen. Color your actual skin. Again, this doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna put fake blood on it. This is just the base color. And now with this tiny little brush, we're going to add blood. The good thing about a Halloween makeup is that it's almost impossible to miss it, because if you think that it's looking ridiculous, you can just add a little more fake blood and it's going to look awesome. So I'm putting fake blood all around the liquid latex to hide any imperfections. What I like to do to make the blood look darker is that I scrape a little bit of black eyeshadow, I put it on a sponge, and then I add the actual fake blood, and then I mix it, and that gives me a more darker shade of blood. Okay, my camera died, but all I did was mix black eyeshadow with fake blood and add it all over my mouth. And now with a red pen, I'm going to outline my lips. Please don't be dumb like me and buy a tube of red face paint. I forgot I had to buy one, so I'm doing this with fake blood. To do Pennywise's nose, I'm going to outline my nose with the red pencil, and then once again I'm going to use fake blood instead of red face paint because I'm the dumbest person on earth. You'll do better than me. I don't know why you're watching this tutorial. I hope I'm not allergic to this because my mouth is starting to burn. And now with the red pencil, you're going to outline. Again, you're supposed to use red face paint. And now we're going to use a round brush and black eyeshadow, and we're going to do the eye makeup. So this is going to be really easy. You just have to put black all over the eye. You can blend it out if you want to, but that's not necessary because Pennywise doesn't care. To finish off this look, we're going to draw eyebrows, so I'm using a kohl. That's it, that's the finished look. If you have found this tutorial helpful, you can always drop a like and tell me in the comments down below what you're gonna be for Halloween. Also, you can subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thank you guys for being here. It really means a lot. I'll see you very soon, and happy Halloween, guys. If you don't live under a rock, as you'll know, if you now that I look like now that I look whiter than wet. Now we're going to use a round block. You can subscribe if you like my bubbly personality. I'll see you very soon, and bye. You can that's it. You wanna give Pennywise a kiss? Oh,